Welcome back to Learning with a Difference School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script on National Paper Bag Day, which is on 12th of July. Just look at a tree or a plant or a flower. How still they are, how deeply rooted in being. Let us allow nature to teach us stillness. See around you, we live in beautiful environment. Let us remind ourselves that environment we live also require a lot of protection. With this, a warm and hearty morning to each and everyone present here. My name is Minnie from class 8. I with my classmates presenting today's morning assembly on Paper Bag Day. The day is observed to raise awareness about the use of paper bags and discard plastic bags. If we want to preserve Mother Earth, we should stop using plastic. And without further delay, let us pray to God that we may give our 100% in preserving Mother Earth. So let's get ready for prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes, and start prayer. And after prayer, we human ourselves brings changes in Mother Nature and imbalances everything. The main goal of this day is to encourage use of paper bags to save the environment. So we can start using paper bags or cloth bags for taking a step to save the environment. Now let's take inspiration from today's thought, and for today's thought I would like to invite on stage Tripti from class 8. Good morning everyone. My name is Tripti. Thought of the day is: when you do something noble and beautiful and nobody noticed, do not be sad. For the sun every morning is a beautiful spectacle, and yet most of the audience still sleeps. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Tripti. In the past few years, the effects of pollution started to hit the city people and day to day life of the common man. People now are falling sick due to polluted air. In such a scenario, adopting paper bags adds to brand appreciation. It can benefit both the business and, most importantly, the environment. Let's get know more about this day and its importance. I would like to invite on stage Shreya to deliver a speech. Thank you very much, Shreya. The world becomes increasingly aware of the impact of plastic waste on the environment. There is need to promote sustainable alternatives such as paper bags has become more important. Let us check our knowledge through GK quiz on Paper Bag Day. Thank you for testing and enhancing our knowledge. Vocabulary is the main tool for us in our attempt to use English effectively. In order to be able to have a rich vocabulary, we need to learn as many words as possible and also need to remember them. It's time to enhance our vocabulary with word of the day. And for this, I would like to invite on stage Romil from class 8. Good morning, everyone. My name is Romil. Word of the day is edification, which means improvement, instruction, or enlightenment, especially when morally or spiritually uplifting. Synonyms of edification are knowledge and improvement. Antonyms are illiteracy and misunderstanding. I'm using this word in a sentence. He showed the child film that provide edification and not just entertainment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much for enhancing our vocabulary. And now I'm honored to invite our esteemed principal to the stage to share some inspiring words with us today. And thank you very much, sir. We are at the end of today's morning assembly. On this paper bag day, we are taking an oath and will encourage everyone to use paper instead of plastic. And with this, let's get ready for National Anthem.